Mike Kilo, just over the island now, straight in for 21 out of 1500 on the QNH.
Mike Kilo, service wind 140 degrees 9 knots, runway 21, clear land.
Cleared land, runway 21, Mike Kilo, and we're going to the fly-in as well.
Hey, firm, just got the barbecue lit up for you.
Brilliant.
No need to reply. Surface wind check 150 degrees 11 knots, out. They'll probably rope you in now to do the cooking, you know that, don't you?
Will they send you up a bit?
Oh, I'll be going up there later on, don't you worry.
See you then.
Take care.